Hey friends, if Dolby Atmos is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now the first thing is that is Dolby Atmos not working or is audio not working? If audio is not working, then the troubleshooting will be very different, and if it's about Dolby Atmos, then try the following. So search for Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Now search for Dolby in the search bar and then go to Dolby Access. Click on install or open whatever option you have, and then it will launch the Dolby panel. If you have the option to install, you will have to install it. Okay, just install it on your system once, and then you can try to access Dolby Atmos. It should work this time. And if it still doesn't, then try updating the audio driver. So search for device manager, go to the device manager and update all the audio drivers. Okay, just right click and select update driver and search automatically for drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.